for welcome back to my channel. I hope you are well. So today I am going to be showing you something I have never ever done on my channel before. So I'm going to be doing like a Mrs. Hinch, shall I say, cleaning haul. And honestly, even before I found Mrs. Hinch, I loved cleaning. I love like looking at all the cleaning products. I think the cleaning aisle is probably like my favourite aisle when I go into like shops and things. So I needed specifically to go to Home Bargains today, specifically for cleaning products. And yeah, let's get to the video. Okay, so the first thing I have, what I picked up actually on the cleaning aisle, is this, the Febreze, to be honest. This is in Sparkling Bloom scent, and because I do like the lavender one, but I do like the nice, we're coming into like springtime and I wanted like a springy scent. So this is water based, which is what I really like. So I feel like it doesn't hurt the cats. I've got 4 cats, so it just say on the back that it's water based formula. It's dermatologically tested and it's safe to use around cats and dogs. I usually make my own to spray it onto my blinds and my bedding and sometimes even on my surface and stuff. So what I do, water with fabric softener. So that's what I usually like to do, and I always get the cotton one anyway, and it smells so fresh. But this again I feel like works a little bit better. Another thing what Mrs. Hinch is actually known for is obviously cleaning her toilets. She loves the pine one. I also too like the pine one, to be honest. This is the duck toilet cleaner. I really like the duck ones simply because I feel like this, just the way this bit is, it goes nicely around my toilets. Now my toilets seem really quite like large, like the bowl's really like large. So I feel like I do go through toilet cleaner like no tomorrow, like seriously. It just does the job, and I love the smell of pine as well. So getting into some cloths. I don't think like Mrs. Hinch uses these, but I just needed some cloths, so I got just some extra 6 super cloths. So they are machine washable, they're highly absorbent, they're versatile, so they can be used wet or dry, in the kitchen or anywhere around the home, which is what I really like. It's that material for when you've got like really dry hands. It feels like you stick to it when you've got dry hands. I would probably use these for not so much dusting, because I feel like this material defeats the point of dusting, to be honest. I really like around my sink and stuff when I'm like cleaning my sink and shining my sink and shining like around my taps and stuff. This is what I thought when I saw these, and I think these were like 89p or something. We've got some household gloves. I needed gloves, to be honest. These are 100% latex, comfort fit, I got them in a medium. So glad I don't really ever check. I always forget. For like cleaning around the toilet and stuff, when I don't want to get anything in my fingers or anything like that. These are the Does It disposable gloves, which I really like, and you get 2 pairs. And again, the way I clean these is with a little bit of Zoflora and kind of like leave the hand bit soaking in, so you don't like, you kind of keep reusing them because they're not really good for the planet, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, something what Mrs. Hinch always gets, minky. So this is a little minky, and the reason why I really like this is because it's antibacterial, again, which is what I really like. You can in Home Bargains now get like the cheaper version of these, because this was £2.50 for one, which to be honest is quite expensive for a sponge, I'm not gonna lie, especially in Home Bargains. So God knows about other places like such as high-end supermarkets and stuff, but there is a 3-pack for I think £1.50, which looks pretty much exactly the same. What I like about these again is that it's antibacterial, so, and again, so you can kind of use it, you know, put it away, come back to it. I'd probably keep this downstairs. I should have got one for the upstairs. There was a minky specifically for bathroom as well, again was £2.50, and I thought, do I get it or don't I get it? And I really wish that I picked it up and I got it, because it's a little bit different to this. Again, after a few uses, Zoflora. So something I actually haven't seen Mrs. Hinch use, to be honest. I know she uses this brand, but I've never seen her use this. She might have, don't get me wrong, she probably will have, but I don't know. So it's Star Drops and it's kitchen spray but with bleach. Now I always use the Flash bleach kitchen spray, obviously for the kitchen, and I've got one for the bathroom as well. But I came across this one, 89p, and I have used Star Drops before. I used their Pine 5-in-1 antibacterial, really good one. You spray on the sides, leave it for 5 minutes, and to be honest, your kitchen smells beautiful. I usually use bleach around my sink, and then around I use usually Dettol and stuff like that, like on my sides. It's tough on stains, removes grease and grime. I haven't used it. I'm really interested of using it. I thought I may as well try and use the Star Drops for 89p as well. You can't really go wrong, can you? So yeah, 2 other products as well, which again I'm not too sure if she uses, but I've actually saw these ages and ages ago. This brand has like come up quite a lot recently, and I was actually going to purchase some of their products online because they do have their own website. It is the Fabulosa brand, and yeah, they're kind of just like Zoflora but a little bit different. So this is the Fabulosa disinfectant. Again, cleans and shines, eliminates odours, it's long lasting, kills 99.9% bacteria. Again, it's pretty much the same instructions as Zoflora because I absolutely love Zoflora. Yeah, you can use on floors, wet tops, tiles, sinks, toilets, bins, hard surfaces, pet areas, bath taps, drains, dishcloths, potties and commodes. It smells like Parma violets. Literally, that's what I really liked about it. You can get other little bits and bobs in the same scent. In Home Bargains that didn't happen, but on the website you can. They have like a range of the products with the same scent. So I really like that. Again, I think this was like £1. I think this is amazing. This is watermelon. Firm, fresh air, carpet, upholstery, room freshener. No need to vacuum, eliminates odours, long lasting freshness in watermelon. Oh, and apparently according to a lot of people's stories and stuff, what I have searched in the past, it really does smell like watermelon, so I'm going to give it a try in a minute because I cannot wait. So I cannot wait to just quickly hoover around and then give this a spray because I really do like carpet firms. It gets rid of pet odours, tobacco and cooking smells. This thing I got from Home Bargains. The Flash Power Mop, the Powered Deep Clean Mop. Again, I saw this, Mrs. Hinch, she popped into Home Bargains, what I've seen recently, and she said that this is really amazing. I do need a mop because we have got vinyl flooring in the bathroom and then all throughout the kitchen and then a little bit on our little outy house bit where we've got like downstairs toilet and stuff. I really needed something. I hate mop and buckets. I feel like they collect so much bacteria and I don't know, I just don't like them. But with these, I really like. There was a different one, I think it was like £10. It was the Fast and Easy one. Where this one, it was actually £20, but you also get in with it. So you get 5 extra absorbing pads, you get the fresh scent solution and 4 powered batteries, which I think is really, can't wait to use this. This was one of the main reasons why I went into Home Bargains as well. And to be honest, I looked at the refills as well, and the refills were literally like £3, but for a decent sized bottle. So I was like, you know what, I will be getting my money's worth. I do have 4 cats. We do have cat litter trays in the outer house bit, so I need to keep on top of like the cleaning, and I hate mopping, to be honest. So again, I cannot wait to get this out and smell my kitchen in the morning. I'm going to wake up on a Sunday morning, it's going to be all fresh in my house. Absorb and lock. Do I want to do a review on this? If someone wants me to do a review on it, I will definitely do a review on this. Again, easy change battery compartment, swivel head, 2 jet sprays, and yeah, you literally connect, insert the batteries, attach, load, spray and clean, remove when dirty. So again, the only thing I don't like is that the environment, you know, I might have to look into it, like, do they biodegrade? Can Flashmate biodegradable ones, which are a tiny bit more expensive, but they save the planet. So I'm going to shut up rambling now. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want me to do more cleaning things and stuff like that, then definitely please leave comments down below, and please go subscribe. It would mean so much to me. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Again, please remember to go subscribe. I will, yeah, love you and leave you. I'll see you in my next video. I love you lots. Bye.